What is a judge to make of this situation? The judge will, of course, turn to the rules of evidence, particularly Rule 131, Section 3, entitled Disputable Presumptions. The following presumptions are satisfactory if uncontradicted, but may be contradicted and overcome by other evidence. A, B, C, etc. Letter J, that a person found in possession of a thing taken during the doing of a recent wrongful act is the taker and doer of the whole act. Let me repeat. Disputable presumption that a person found in possession of a thing taken in the doing of a recent wrongful act is the taker and the doer of the whole act. So, we have to presume that things have happened according to the ordinary course of life. Ngayon sasabihin mo, hindi ko intindi bakit narating sa akin yan. There's the law. The law says, pag hindi mo pinapaliwanag yan, ang ibig sabihin, ikaw nagnakaw niyan. Kung pickpocket ka at nasa bus ka, pagkatapos may nawalang pitaka at ikaw may hawak, sasabihin ng pulis, ikaw palang magnanakaw eh. Anong paliwanag mo? Ngayon din yon sa ating kaso ngayon. That things have happened according to the ordinary course of nature and the ordinary habits of life. The other congressman said, I was driving into my house. In the driveway, I found attached to